Right, so here the capital E is being converted to a small e, right? So here the uppercase letters have been converted to your lowercase letters. Yes, have you understood, ma? Right, now we'll move on to your next program. Write a program to count all the occurrences of a single character in a string. So here I am going to count the number of E's or count the number of A's, count the number of T's, whatever the character I am giving. If that character is present in a string, I am going to count how many times the E has occurred or how many times the A has occurred, right? So hash include stdio.h int main. So here I have declared a character array and this is going to be the character, and int I count equal to 0, right? So here I have I for the for loop, and here I have a count to count the occurrences of a character, and here I am getting the using the printf statement to display the message enter the string, and here I am using getters to read the string input. Printf enter the character you want to search. So here I am asking the user to enter the character that you want to search. So scanf, I am reading that particular character using the scanf %c &ch. Since it is a single character, I am using %c, and the ch already I have declared here, so I have given here &ch. Now I need to check in an entire array whether that character is present or not. So if it is present, how many times it has been present, right? So for I is equal to 0, str of I not equal to null. Already I told you the string ends with a null character. So till I reach the end of the string, that means end of the null, so I need to repeat the entire things. So if the string of I not equal to null, then I need to do the particular operation. So here what I am doing, I am checking each and every character of the array whether it is going to equal to a particular character what we have given. Suppose if I want to search a particular E, whether E is present in my given string, then this E will be compared with each and every character present in the given array. If it is equal, then I will increment my count equal to count plus 1. Clear? And then I will move on to the for loop. So till I reach the end of the array, I will do this again and again. Suppose whatever the character you have entered is not present in the particular array, then I will have my count value equal to 0. Is it clear? You need not tell whether it is present or not. If it is present, you need to count the occurrences. If it is not present, then you will say the occurrence of that particular character is going to be 0, right? So printf the total number of times this particular character has occurred. So I am printing the count value. So here since I have written %c, I have given here ch. Now here I need to print the count value. So I have given the count here and return 0. Now we'll see the example here. So in get as I am reading welcome to strings, right? So this is the input I have given, and here I am giving the character as E, right? So here I am checking whether the character in the array equals to C. So now here I have got 1 E, 2, 3. Sorry, 1, 2. 2 times the E is being present. So I will get the output as 2. Is that clear? So first I am reading the string. I am getting the character that I want to search. That means occurrence. So here I am checking each and every character with the character what I have read. If it is equal, I am incrementing my count value, and just I am printing the count. Clear? Right. Thank you.